Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen flickering issue on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button, volume up button, click on this restart icon, again tap on this restart icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on display and scroll down. Turn off adaptive brightness button. After turn off adaptive brightness button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so again click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen flickering on Moto G37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.